Hello everyone, today we are going to prepare a kind of chicken starter which can be done within a jiffy and that is very yum to taste. So let's get into my kitchen to prepare today's recipe, which is garlic butter chicken. Here I have taken boneless chicken pieces that cut into small pieces. For marination, I add salt, black pepper powder and 1.5 tablespoon corn flour. Then you crack one egg. After adding all the ingredients, give everything a good mix. Give the mix so that no lumps of the corn flour should be there. After mixing everything, you keep it in the refrigerator at least for half an hour. Now heat the pan. In the heated pan, add oil. We're going to fry the chicken pieces now. Chicken pieces has to be fried in a warm oil. By putting one chicken piece into the pan, if it starts splattering, then only you add all the pieces. Otherwise, after cooking, the corn flour coating tends to come out if you don't fry in the warm oil. So the oil has to be ready. Then add all the pieces and start cooking it. The flame has to be medium to high. Cook every species until you see a brownish tint. After cooking, you keep the chicken pieces by side so to add later in the preparation. The same pan, add the butter and spread the butter in the pan. We're going to add all other ingredients one by one. First, we're going to add finely chopped garlic. Then we add the green chili, that also finely chopped, and add the onion. I have used a small size red onion here. Give everything a mix. Then we will add other ingredients. Add black pepper powder 1 teaspoon and salt to taste. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon vinegar and the spring onion. When everything is getting done, in the interim you need to prepare the corn flour slurry. For that, take corn flour and the water in the same quantity and give a good mix so that no lumps of the corn flour must be in the slurry. Now the slurry is done. Then add the corn flour slurry in the pan. I have added 1.5 tablespoon corn flour slurry. After that, bring back all the fried chicken in the pan. If you want more gravy, add more corn flour slurry. As I am preparing a dry version of the garlic butter chicken, that's why I added only that much. Then add the chili flakes. I have added half teaspoon chili flakes. After adding all the ingredients, mix everything well. Keep the flame high. Keep on stirring. Keep mixing everything. Now it is done and ready to be served. If you like this recipe, give a thumbs up and do come to my kitchen to prepare another recipe. Enjoy!